Hello guys, today I'll be explaining how I turned my 1.1 lakh loss into some 85,000 profit in the end of the day. So people have said, how did you go long after, even after the market fell below 16,000? Okay, I'll tell you. In the morning itself, I had some on yesterday itself I bought some 35,000 call option at 40 rupees, 1,000 quantities, and even 16,200 put option, which is I sold at 206. Okay, I had this position yesterday only for carry forward because I was bullish since yesterday. But sadly, even good thing the market opened gap up, but it didn't sustain above 16,000 as well, and I squared it off at 280 rupees with a loss of some 70k in this trade, and with a loss of some 40k in this trade, because this is a hero or zero call 35,000. I was ready to lose these 40,000 just for jackpot call. I just took this, and this was intentionally took, and the risk was, yes, the risk was I cut it off at 60 or 70,000. If the market moved in my direction, it would have made me some 2 lakh profit. So risk reward is also good. You can see 16,200 put option, right? 16,200 put option, where it is. One second, let me refresh it. I think my Zerodha is having some problem. Okay, 80,000 profit I booked, and look at this 16,200 put option, which made 71,000 loss. Okay, so 71,000 loss, and 35,000 call option, which I bought at 40 yesterday, sold it at 8 rupees on 10:36. And after that I took some other trades, like sold 15,700 PE. Yeah, after that I took 1 or 2 trades, and that also hit a minimum stop loss, which is 34,600. I sold at 185, and stop loss would be around 10 rupees. And from 10:36 to 12:30 the market was falling. Okay, but I didn't go short. I'll tell you the reason. Okay, see, I was bullish on Bank Nifty because, see, market fell, okay, from this level to this level and hit 34,800 as a resistance thrice, and hit the lows, and after that it bounced back well and made a W pattern. It's a bullish trend. See, market fell and made a W pattern and bounced back, and this is some good buying, this is some good buying at the same levels, and market opened flat and market moved well. So what did you expect at this level on 23 May? So the market should go up, right? So I was long on that day, and I made some decent profit of 60,000 that day, and I closed my trades at these 34,600 or 700 levels. And after that I saw some crazy rejection at the same level, and I shorted calls, and I even bought put option as well, and I ended that 23rd May with a profit of 1 lakh. Forget about the profits. So what do you expect when there is a crazy rejection after some crazy buying happening? So see, buying happened and tries to break those levels, failed to achieve, so it fell, right? So what did you expect? It's a false breakout, and it even crossed 34,819, like 800 crossed and couldn't able to sustain. So I was like, okay, the market is not in my favor. Even though I made profit, I was not expecting this fall. Okay, then afterwards, the next day I didn't even took the trade, I guess. Yeah, so I was expecting a fall. Let's these levels breaks, then I'll go, because these were not the trading zones. So I didn't even took the trades. Okay, after that what I noticed is the bank was not falling. Okay, but it's sustaining some levels, but it is not able to cross some good important levels. So what that means, bulls are active on lower prices, they are not able to push the market upward. So what did actually happen 23, 24, and 25th date? So it flat 34,300 to 200 levels, and 300 levels same. So this was making some base, this was making some support for these levels. Okay, but at that time Nifty was falling. So these Nifty patterns is looking very bearish to me actually. But even though I was having some crazy price action in Bank Nifty, I shorted 16,200 put option yesterday, even though market closed above 16,000, because these day, okay, the 20th May, actually market this expiry, the market actually moved above 16,000, and at that time 16,000 had an open interest of 1.8 lakh contract. Okay, so what that means, big people enter at a base level, like at a very top level or at a very bottom level. See, they are the makers, right? So they know, they don't sell, or they don't sell at 20 rupees or 10 rupees, they sell at 200 or 300. They know where exactly the market is going to close. So you need to observe it carefully while it's crossing. See, this is a crazy big candle, and after that it didn't even cross these levels, and the next day it fell crazily. But what happened, this is some crazy levels, right? It moved up, these all the buyers got trapped, and these sellers, so what 90% expect, so the market to break these levels. But what exactly happened, the market opened gap up, so all these call sellers got trapped, and all the base got trapped, and this is some good buying. At that time I saw some 16,000 put option as having the highest open interest, so I was like, okay, 16,000 is not going to break on this expiry. Let me sell 16,000 or 16. If 16,000 is not going to go, 16,000 put option is not going, if 16,000 put option is going to be worthless, then why should I sell 16,000, right? Let me sell 16,100. If things go in my favor, I make huge money. If not, then the stop loss is always with me, right? That's why I sold 16,200 yesterday, like on Wednesday. So this I sold at 200, and my stop loss was around 280 something. Yeah, 80,000 and 70 to 80,000. So my profit is more or less more than 1:2, right? If it becomes zero, like 17,200 or 16,200 put option would be zero. That means 2 lakh profit. So that's what actually I thought. And and I'll tell you about today's trade. Okay, I had only Nifty position today morning, and let me share it with you, exactly the time and whatever the trades I took. Okay, what exactly happened, market opened gap up and couldn't even sustain. But if you look at the bank charts, it was trading flat. Okay, it was trading flat, it was taking support, and it was trading above 34,500 levels for a longer time, and even that also been broken at some point of time. So I was not able, like I was not comfortable selling, I was not comfortable going short, even though I had some I was like I saw 16. See, at this level, exactly at 10:15, yeah, this crazy fall, right? So at this point of time I exited my carry forward position at 10:36. Yeah, no, not 10:36, yeah, 10:36. I exited my put sold position. What is 10:36? Yeah, at these level, yeah. uh, this is not the time to actually exit. I should have exited here only when 16,000 broken, but 16,000 put option is having the highest open interest at that time. So I was hoping the market to come back, and it hit my stop loss. Okay, so what I did is, even though every put writers changed to call writers, okay, 16,000 put option is having some 2.2 lakh open interest, and all got vanished, and some it reduced to 1.3 L something at that time, like 10:30 or 10:40, and call writers came aggressively at 16,000 call option, which was 2.24 lakhs at that time. Still, I didn't even reverse my trade. See, if you can see, after exiting at 10:36, I took the trade at 11:51. Okay, and till then, still at that level, I was still bullish. Like I was not able to sell at that level. See, market already fell. I just missed the opportunity. Let me not sell 16,000 call option. there is no point because people have already sold 16,000 put option. I was seeing at those days like 20th May or something. I told you like 2 minutes back, right? So I was not comfortable selling, so I was just watching the market, and Nifty was like taking support. And at that time, okay, see what actually made me to take entries, I'll tell you exactly. Look at 10-15 candle. Okay, I took the entry in Bank Nifty, not in Nifty. Just look at the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was trading quite strong. Just look at the candles from 10:30 to 11:20. Compare Nifty and Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty didn't even broke the swing slow, which is formed at 10:15. Sorry, 10:55, right? Which formed at 10:55. And look at the Nifty, which broke the levels, but Bank Nifty was sustaining above the previous swings or the day's low. So what it tells? So it tells the bank is strong, but Nifty was not able to support the bank. So I didn't even take the trades. And after that, see, some 34,500 broke with some good levels, and after that there is some crazy fall came, like 12:25 the fall came. Okay, where is my trades? I took at 12:30. I sold 34,600 PE at 146. How? How it is possible, right? So I took the entry where exactly? Where 12:30, right? So let me explain where exactly I took the trade. 12:30. See, at this point of time, okay, Bank Nifty fell, okay, and Nifty was trading above the same level which exactly the fall has come, right? So what that means, Nifty is able to break the 34,500 again after a big fall. And look at this, Nifty was trading above the same level where exactly the fall came. This is a crazy fall, and even the fall kicked the Bank Nifty below 34,500 and still able to sustain about 34,500. How it is possible? So these are all the traps. These are all made for liquidities. Let the people to sell because they know there is a big trend upcoming. So what they do is, let me sell first some 1,000 crores, then people will sell some 2,000 crores with us, so let's buy some 3,000 crores, so we will get some liquidity, right? That's what exactly happened. At this point of time, at 12:35, Nifty became bullish. See, Nifty broke 12:25 candle and highs. Okay, 12:25 candle high Nifty broke, but bank was not able to break. But at this point of time, 12:50, okay, see my let me go to my orders. 11:53 I sold some put options. 11:50 means when the market started trading above this level, and this hit my stop loss at this level. Okay, so after that I took a break, and where exactly, yeah, 34,000 put option I bought it to go short. Okay, so even 34,000 put option, 34,000 put option, and 35,000 call option. 34,000 put option I exited, and 34,500 call option, 34,500 put option. Yeah, I was gone for a short straddle at 34,500. Then I exited at 12:39, I guess. Yes, yeah, 12:45 something. Then look at this. Exactly at 12:45, I'll just show you in 12:45. Where is 12:45? Yeah, this is 12:45, and look at the Nifty in 12:45. This broke these entire trapping candles. These are all the trapped candles. So it broke. See, what does it mean? They sold these levels, and within span of 10 or 12 minutes the market will push above this level. What that means? That means this is just a trap. So even at this level, market came 16,000, 1250 level, and fell. 16,000 is around level, and had some crazy open interest as well, call option. So after that, when it broke, okay, I took 1250 entries. Okay, I'll just see, look at this. 1245 I entered the trade. I sold 34,700 put option at 204 levels, right? and I even sold 34,800 put option at 141, and I even bought 35,000 call option at 52. So this is what exactly happened, and I exited with a profit. That's what I would like to say. You just need to follow these were the traps which they made to trap you guys, because they were know about these crazy up moves. And one point of time, my loss from 1 lakh to came to zero, some 10,000 profit. And after that, even these candles, like it was taking support at 34,800. See, 34,800 took the resistance, fell and broke. So it tried to sustain above these level for some time, but this is a crazy move. So selling came, and after that, I was sure that the market once 34,800 breaks again, then I'll just go long again. So after that, the market, you know how it moves. And after that, I actually at this point of time, like 250 or something, I made a 35,000 put option and call option short straddle. Even I sold 35,000 call put option. See, look at this, 35,000. I somewhere around this level I actually sold 35,000 put option. It's 120 rupees at 122. So that's what actually made my day. Hope you enjoy my video and hope you get this what exactly and how exactly I trade. Yeah, basically everything is about price action, and you must read how exactly the price moves. Yeah, that's it. See, even after if you can see at 12:25, it broke 34,500. Even after trading below 34,500, I placed only 10 rupees stop loss. That's how I manage my risk when I gone out of my losses. Like I had some restrictions, like let's say I'm going to lose 1 lakh, so after that I'm not going to take much risk. So I placed some 10 rupees stop loss. If you can see here, where is my order book? Yeah, order book. And if you can see here, see, I sold 34,600 put option at 185 by thinking the market is trading above 34,500, so the market may become bullish, and I placed only 10 rupees stop loss and I'm out of the trade. So yeah, I follow risk management strictly, and these candles broke, and I was expecting the market to fall. Okay, I was holding and I was simply watching, but within some 10 or within some 7 or 8 minutes, the market came back stronger. And like what actually the price should move and how actually the price should move is like 34,600, right? What's the high of this candle? 34,596. Fell from that level, fell heavily, and fell below 34,500. So what exactly it should do is it has to take a resistance at 34,500 and it has to move back. Why it is moving above? So this is a clear signal of buying. This is some sort of a trap, and at that time even Nifty was started to trade and punish the call writers heavily. So it started moving and it broke 16,000 with the power. So where there exactly I entered the trades, and with a profit I'm exiting the trades. That's how I trade. Thank you. Thank you for watching.